Welcome to another trading day. So today I took this trade right here. It's a long. My stop loss is below this low, and also my target is above this high right here. So let me change the platform so you can see why I took this trade. So first of all, I'm going to the 1 hour, and one thing that I'm seeing right now is a movement right here. And this is the pullback that I traded yesterday, and then downside movement, and then we took this sell side right here. So that's a relevant sell side. So right now price is reacting to that level after taking that sell side, and it's going to the upside. And I'm also noticing that price is getting to the 50% of this wick right here, and then we have reaction to the upside. So that's one sign that helped me to take the decision and take this trade. Then if I go to the 15 minutes, I have the same thing. We have sales all taken here and also here, and then we have this fair value gap right here that I think is a good area to target right now. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you. So that's where my take profit is, just above this high, or just entering this fair value gap right here. So that's a good area to target. Also, if we measure the last movement from here to here, we have that this this fair value gap is above the 50%, and also we can think of this price going to the 75% and then again going to the downside. So that's another thing that I took in consideration to take this trade. Another thing that I'm seeing here is in the 1 minute. As you can see, we have the shift in market structure, and it is this one right here. Okay, shift in market structure. Then we have a retracement below the 50% of this movement, and that's where I took this trade here in the inversion fair value gap and also the fair value gap. So what's the risk of this trade? The risk is the hour. It's 1 p.m. in New York, so maybe this thing can go to the downside more, and then we have a better retracement to the upside. And the other risk is that price wants to go below this low and take that sell side again for more liquidity and then go to the upside. So as you can see here, we're seeing a downside movement that is strong. So it can happen that I get stopped out, and that's not a problem. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this was a winning trade. It's the third consecutive winning trade of the week, which is good. A winning streak is always good. Always keep in mind that the more you win, then the the more you are closer to have losing trades. That's always the case, right? So it took my target, it created this big candle right here, and then it started going up, and then it took my target. So I'm gonna show you some details in the 1 minute. One detail that I want to show you is the first one is when it took this buy side right here. I'm gonna show it to you. Took the buy side, then it went down with this big candle. It took sell side here, and then what I want you to notice is first the touch of the with the wick, the touch of this uh, red candle right here, which is an order block, and then look how the price is not passing below this inversion fair value gap right here. It is always inside of this fair value gap. Also, we have this fair value gap right here, and also you see the price here is not going through it, right? So we create this short-term low, then we go down, and then we take it right here, and once we pass the 50% of this fair value gap right here with this candle, we touch it and then we go to the upside, and the target is this buy side right here, which is the low of the fair value gap in the 15-minute, and then this fair value gap right here. So one other thing is that this area right here, like this consecutive red candles that form a fair value gap, those are good areas to target. So price, we expect the price to go there because this area right here is an imbalance in price. So the price will tend to go to those areas right there. If this thing goes up more, another area is that's this one right here, this fair value gap right here. But areas that are more likely to be visited by price are the ones with consecutive red candles in this case, or green candles if we are going to the downside, right? So that's the things that I want you to notice. As you can see, we're touching this fair value gap, and if I go to the 15-minute chart here, you can see that price visited this fair value gap, and that's where I took my take profit, right? And then price started to react there in that fair value gap, and price went down, and as you can see here, it is creating a new, almost creates a new high. So that's the analysis for this trade. Another day, winning trading day, and that's good. So see you next time.